Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kartick at the reputed. So friends, today I'm talking in this video that you can earn 90,000 per month and website give. You can see the payment. This is a $63, $188, $64, $140, $68. These are the payment, daily payment from this site. You can see the average $73 per day, all complete autopilot is passive income. So friends, the site is no, I can see you. This is an clickbank.com. This is an site, absolutely freelancing site, where in this site you can grow the sale. If you have the product, you can sell in this site, and you also promote this product. Or you don't need any knowledge and experience in a product. You just promote this product on Clickbank to refers to people to buy this product, and you can make money. Also you can make money online and build your business from this site. This is an absolutely branded and reputed company, and you can see here approximately 200 countries all over the world are doing business from this site. You can see here this Clickbank site serve their member for 20 years, and they can pay to their member $4 billion. So friends, we need to become a or promoter or become an affiliate. So friends, we need to product and make money. You can, if you promote this product, you just click here promote. How you can earn 90,000 rupees per month from this site. I can give you details, explain step by step. You can watch. So friends, promote on Clickbank, you are super affiliate. So friends, this site serve to their member 20 years, and they can pay $4 billion commission on when you become a member. Or when you want to become a member on this site, you need to register or sign up first. So you can see here, you can see commission as high as 90% also given. Or if a product price is 100 rupees, or you can promote a person who buy this product, and you can make 90% commission from this product without doing nothing. So friends, how to promote this product, I can give you example then, or method. You can promote this product to this site. Or get paid on time. This site can pay you timely basis is, and great credit every sale. You get paid in every sale on this product. Mm, and promote the automatic upside offer and recurring commission and make connection. So all details are available in this site. You can see all market product in this site. The product are available, 4,000 plus product are available in this site, and you can choose one of this product and make money through this site. And I can see you know which type of product when you sign up in this clickbank.com. And you can see this type of page. This is a dashboard. I can register, where you can see is my registered ID. All you need to do, we have an existing account. So if I log in the I have an account. So friends, you need to come in this affiliate marketplace. You click here. When you can click in this marketplace, you can see all such type product are available in this site. You can see which type of product available: art and entertainment and betting system, and seen on TV, business, computer, cooking, and e-business, education. All types of product are available in this site. Language, mobile, families, politics, and self-help software, spiritual, sport, travel. All such type product are available. When you place this product, you can get an affiliate link, and you can share with the people. And when the people comes with your affiliate link and purchase this product and you can make money. So friends, how you can do, I give an idea. When you click one of this product, I can click the health and fitness. When you click there's health and fitness, all health and fitness product are available. You can see here Okinawa flat belly tonic and biofit and dentitox, and this product is price is 140 rupees. You can promote this product and you can earn approximately mm, commission of 139 rupees commission. So friend, this is an absolutely amazing website. You just need to promote this. And first, when you promote this product, you can choose your country. If you want to promote this product in England, you can click here. So you can promote this product in Germany, you can click here. So friends, we need to the best top popularity product. You just click here and click gravity, and you can see all types are product is available in this site. You can see here this product is this product is rate is a $140. If you buy and refers to peoples, and the people comes to your link and buy this product, and you can make 139.49 cent in this product. But if you can see the alt of the details product, if you just click here, so you can see the details of this product. You can give here all the details of product are available. What is Okinaka flat belly, this product are details and available. You can see here all details are product and available. People comes, and if people want to this product, they can read all the details instruction and then purchase this product. So means we need to promote this product. If you need to promote this product, how you can do, I can give an example how you can do. When you promote this product or refers to people to buy this product, you just need to promote. If you click here, and you can see as a nickname and get generate top link, you can see. And so friends, affiliate account nickname is invalid. So friends, you need to nickname first. My nickname is, I can type here, and you can just click here, go to the dashboard and 1 2 3 4, and you just need to my nickname, and then you can generate this product. Yeah, you can see here's my nickname, your account nickname, this type of nickname. And when you click this product, you can get an link. This is the link. You just need to copy this link. You just copy this link, and then you can promote this person. How you can promote, I can see you how you promote. First, you just copy this link, and I can give you an website, and just sort this link. You come to bit.ly, and this is a shorter link. And if you click here this link, you can get all the details. This is a big link. You need to sort in this link. You just click here and you can get link, and this is a shortest link of this product. So if you just copy this link, and you can, this is an Okinaka flat belly tonic. This link is become to certain, and you just come to this Facebook and group. You can search here weight loss, and you can see here all type of weight loss group are available. You can see weight loss in US. There is a 40,000 member are available, and fitness and exercise 37,000 member are available. And you can see here 32,000 member are available. You can click one of this group and you join, and you can post this link. And how you can post this link, I give you an example. and you just need to write down. I can see you. If you want to lose your weight within 3 months, I give you a best product that you can use. So when you just click, and you can um, click see to view details, just need and copy and this link. You just need to copy and this link. This is the product link, and then you can post this link. And if you can post this type of in this every group of, you can see here in this every group, try to post this type of link in every group, and the people come to this group and purchase. When purchased your link this product, and you can make commission of $139 per one product. You can imagine, and this group have one 3,000 members, and you can see all types of group. There is a lot of member. You can try to post in this every group, and when the people comes in this group and purchase this product, you can make money without doing nothing. So friends, this is an absolutely amazing method how you can make money. There is another tips I can give you. Go to the Instagram and just log in, and you can post this similar type of Facebook, and you can make money. So friends, this is an absolutely opportunity to make this money. You can see here, so all this product you can daily post one product and one link generate one link. This is a link we need to become. We need to sort in this link and copy just link and become to the bit.ly.com, and we just copy this link and make a shorten this link, and then just copy this link and this post in this Facebook group, Instagram, even you can post Twitter, Pinterest, and people come and make money. The best choice I can tell you that you can post in the every group of this Facebook group. There's a lot of people comes in this group, and they can ask question how to lose my weight. So you can refers and you can promote this product, and people comes this product and purchase this product, and you can make money without doing nothing, and from your home. If you want to this another product, you can see all types of product available, games products, and you can see that these are the games products. You can just need to copy this games product, and you can generate this link and copy this link and sort this link and group, Facebook group, games game groups, and search is games group, and you can see here, so the lots of groups are available in this Facebook group. The games group 58,000 members, and 170,000 members, 190,000. We can go to this site and post this product, games product, and people comes in this site and purchase this product, and you can make money through this site. When you sign up you can give this is my ID, and you just click here, all the product are available, and all the details are available in this here. When you make money, and when you go to this dashboard, and you can see here all the details, transaction, ticket, and account, your account, your when if you want to that withdraw your amount, and you can setting your account, and to this site and make money from this site. So friend, this is an absolutely opportunity to make money online. Come to this Clickbank site, and promote this product and make money. So means this is a game product. If you just product purchase 79.44 cent, if you promote this product and people purchase this product, you can make 12.29 cent for one product. And you can imagine, I can give you an example. If 1% in purchase this product, you can make 12,000. If the 100 people purchase this product, and you can make 12.29 dollars per, you can make $1,229 per one group. If you post in this every group, and the you can see the 60,000 member, and the people, one of these people purchase this product, and you can make money. So comes to this Clickbank site and make money. I can give you an example and tips. When you face any difficulties in this product, you can join this spark. When you click this sparks, all you can give is a free training how you promote this product. All the trainings are available. You can email marketing through, and all join the community, and the all course, spark course are available how you do this type of job. And if you can join, you can watch this video course and make money from this site. So friends, this is an absolutely site. Don't waste your time, come to this site and make money from this site. Thank you for watching this video. If you can earn more money from this site, you can subscribe my channel. If I provide a daily one video that you can make money from this site. Thank you for watching this video.